Hi lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today, if I sound weird, don't mind my voice if it's weird. It's just that I'm wearing headphones. Yeah. So this is gonna be part 1 of the thunderstorm. And today I'm actually gonna be giving credits to Toka Tay. I love you so much, Toka Tay. Please comment on my video if you see this. Okay, let's start with the roleplay. By the way, guys, Jack is not a thing anymore. Now this is the sister Claire. Just pretend like this was the sister for like their whole entire life. Please support me in this, guys. I'm sorry if I keep on changing the family. Now Jack is the dad. I know it's so weird, but just forget it. Okay, let's get started with the roleplay. Come on, you lazy fatty. Ugh. Okay, guys, just pretend like they. What the heck? Just pretend like they were there in Okay, guys, so. Oh my god, $10! 10 bucks! Okay, yeah, wait, I'm sorry. What the heck? Okay, whatever. Did you guys know this? Anyway. Anyways, guys. Pretend they, like, reached school or whatever. Where's that annoying... Where's Claire? Sorry, sub. Do not call me sub. Just call me Sabrina or sis. Okay. Sound like you're calling me Subway. Shut up. Okay. Where's all our friends? Class hasn't even started yet. Guys, just pretend this is like lightning and it hits the ground. Did you see what I just saw? I'm not blind! If nobody was there, then... Wait. Then where are they? I don't know. Let's go check if they're in this, Miss Olivia's room. Yeah, let's go check. Wait, guys, let me just take out the student and pretend like... Yeah. Hi, Miss Olivia. Hi. Hi, girls. Everybody just came to my room and started crying, even screaming. And they were like, can I please stay? Because they were scared of the lightning and all. So you guys can skip class, do whatever you want around the school. You know, like, not that stuff. Or you can just stay here with my office. We'll go around. Yeah. Okay, but make sure you come back so I can see so I can check what you're doing, and don't do anything bad. We have security cameras. Miss, we know. Where's Miss Henna? Don't know. I think Miss Hannah retired. Yeah, Miss Hannah retired. See, it says on the spine. Sorry, I'm so sorry to Christians, but I was about to call this a Bible. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Look at this binder. Oh. Well, I will miss Miss Hannah. Yeah. Anyway, let's go around. Yeah. Guys, pretend there were like people in here. Just pretend, like. What the hell? What the heck is that noise? I don't know. I'll have to back go check. No, I'm too scared. No, I'm too scared. Okay, we'll go check it out later. Yeah. Sorry if you can't hear my voice. It's just that. Like, okay. Why do you hate us so much? What did we ever do to you? Okay, keep it shut. Look at this loser wanting to keep her mouth shut. Guess what? I'm not a loser. I'm not your man. So, I wish I was your man. Ugh! Girl, you ate that up! Girl, you ate that up! You guys, pretend they're like girlies came over to like the table. I'm gonna go see our girlies. Yeah, let's go. Girls, where are you going? We're just... miss, we're just going to the cafeteria. Yeah, they better be back. We will. She's, oh no, she's a jerk. Hi. You wanna go outside? Yeah, the sky's so beautiful. Sorry, Papa, sorry. No, don't worry, they put like these covers on the sky or whatever. No, okay, let's go. Yeah. First, can we throw stuff in our locker? Yeah. Thanks for sorry. Boom, boom. She's a runner. Oh, guys, it's so scary, so scary, so scary. Okay. We made it. Slay. What do you mean, slay? What do you mean, slay? Sorry. Sorry, guys. Wait, actually, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna, like, turn off the... Yeah, there we go, guys. Cause like I'm maybe I was speaking so loud, and my brother's sleeping, so yeah. Okay, so like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna place my stuff in my locker. Okay, Pop, your locker is so cute. Thanks. Should I keep my phone out? Yeah, keep your phone out. Let's go. Wait! Who put their stuff in my locker? Must be some idiots. Yeah. Ugh. I'm just gonna remove them. Yeah. You know what? I'm keeping this and I'm keeping this. I don't want that ugly dog notebook or whatever. Yeah, I do not want that dog notebook. It's ugly. So, I'm so sorry to the people who has a dog notebook. It's just for the roleplay. Y'all definitely already know, but whatever. I'm gonna throw these, cause like, I'm only gonna keep the plus minus. Okay, let me just like, yeah, somebody definitely put their stuff in my locker. Girly Bob! I just realized those are my stuff! Oh, sorry, I never knew it was your stuff. It's okay, bestie. Yeah, it was so cool, I know. What the heck? Guys. Ugh. I took my phone. Really? Sorry, I know it's really bad. No, it's okay. Whoa. This used to be my ex-best friend's locker. It's so ugly, right? Yeah, it's the ugliest locker I've ever seen. Yeah, I know. Like, who keeps tampons in their locker? Disgusting. I used to. Not entirely disgusting, you know. I think I'll keep the brush. Like, it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's cute. Oh, that's actually cute. I can go in Claire's locker. Not that Claire's the favorite. One for her, one for her. Yeah, I know, right? Wait, I'm actually a bit scared to go out. Me too. What do you mean? This was your idea. I'm just gonna stay here for a bit to like warm up. Yeah. It's so fun how we can do whatever we want. Yeah. Oh, this paper's cute. Whatever. Just keep there. These can go like this. Yeah, I know, right? I know. He was so cute. I know, Girly Pop. Wait. Yeah, let's see if she can wear that. I know. Regina? Yeah, what's up? Can you let Claire have the seat? Sabrina? Don't you want to sit? No. I told her to sit because I wanted to get my exercise in. Promise? Do I have to tell you promise on everything? Only if I don't believe you. Guys, stop fighting. Yeah. Fine. Wait, guys. What time is it? I forgot today's a school day. Oh. Sorry. I'm so like. Anyway, let's get on with the roleplay. Wait, sorry. Guys, no, I'm seriously scared. Yeah. Could pop me too. Wait, guys, since they're sisters, I think her hairstyles would be white. Wait, that actually eats. I'm scared. Me too. Oh. I accidentally dyed my hair. You street rat. Sorry. Anyway, let's go out. Guys, I'm actually scared. Stop being a baby, Sabrina. Stop it! I'm actually older than you. That's right. No, what? I'm older than you. Look who fell for it. Okay, yeah. I agree. It's kind of funny. Okay, guys. Let's go out now. Yeah. Wait, guys. I want to quickly make an outfit. Hashtag outfit idea. Okay, so this is only if you have like the, what do you call it? The beige 6 beige style pack. Cause like I'm gonna be using the 6 beige style pack. So yeah. By the way, this is gonna be an outfit which you wear outside. So yeah. I'm sorry, you just eat so much. Yeah, Regina can wear that. It's so cute. Actually, no, she can because like the outfit that Regina's wearing is already really cute. That outfit was ugly. Guys, come on, stop being babies. Pretend it like hit her. What was her name again? Oh yeah, Maya. Maya, please, lightning. I'm scared. Guys, you guys are such babies. Okay, yeah, we are. True. Come on, let's go help her. We know who gets struck. Why are you so true all the time? Shut up. Wait, guys, actually, I want to switch the outfits. Sorry. Come on, guys. Wait, guys, pretend she was like fainted. Like, whatever. She needs to get to a nurse. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm so stupid. Come on, guys, we have to help her. What are you guys just lazing around for? Not lazing around. I'm trying to call the nurse. She's not answering. Guys, come on, call her. She's not answering. Yeah, what's your mind, boy? Are you searching, idiots? My friend just got struck by lightning. Why did she say that? By lightning. Huh. That's not a big coincidence. Why can't you just deal with it yourself? Just put ice on her. What do you mean put ice on her? She fainted. Oh, okay, then bring her to me. Finally. This dumb girl just finally figured out what actually happened. Hold my dumb phone. I'm gonna carry her. I'm the strongest. No, you're not. Shut up. Carries her. I know it's a bit sus, but like, just forget it. Actually, this doesn't use the. Guys, this is an outfit idea. Except the Uggs, the shoes she's wearing. You can make this. So yeah. Sorry. Back to the roleplay. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, pretend like the nurse said to like bring her to the principal's office, cause like the heck. Guys, just pretend like the One minute, guys. The thingy on my Apple Pencil fell off. Let me just fix it. It's like not working. What the heck? Get off. Okay. There we go. Sorry guys, I went back to the roleplay. I have to fix this again. Just pretend like the students went to wander off from school. Miss Olivia, here! Put her on the couch. Why am I making her snore? How did she faint? So like, she got struck by lightning and then she just like fell into like a coma or something. She got struck by lightning? That's like not possible. Miss Olivia, are you gonna believe us or not? Obviously, but not entirely. What do you mean not entirely? Yeah, what the heck do you mean by no word, not. No words are like that in my office. Guys, why is that so cute anyway? Hear me? Yes, Miss Olivia. Okay, so like, is she okay? I don't know, I'm not a nurse. Let me bring the nurse here. Oh my god, this thing is full. This thing is full. Guys, this clothing is actually cute for Sabrina, so we're gonna like keep it for her like that. Also, I'm gonna keep this outfit for Sabrina too. Wait, that's actually so cute. And these glasses are a sleigh. She needs them. Sorry guys, back to the roleplay or whatever. What happened? Can't you see she got struck by lightning? Didn't Sabrina tell you? Was it Claire or Sabrina who talked? It was me. Okay. Let me just examine. Wow, how's she starting with that? Just examine her. She had a high fever. What do you mean a high fever? She got struck by lightning. Yeah, because lightning is hot. She would have gotten a fever. Aren't you supposed to be like... Wait. Aren't you supposed to be like a high-level doctor? Well, not really. Maddie? How do you know Maddie? She used to be my ex-best friend. And Maddie is my auntie. Listen, Sabrina, Olivia, I can explain. No! I actually am a doctor. She doesn't have a high fever. She's just into a tiny coma. She'll be up in a few minutes. Happy? What a devil. Not that much. She's my auntie. True. Is she gonna be okay? My mom used to be a doctor. I can check her out. I learned a few things from her. One or two things from her. Sure. Go ahead. Why is like Sabrina still like that? Yeah. She is in a tiny coma. She'll be up in a few minutes. So Maddie was right. Unfortunately. look. Yay, she'll be fine. She will be fine. Yeah. I didn't know she would wake up this early. Are you okay? Don't get closer. She might not remember you. Sorry. What happened, guys? Do you still know our names? I think. It's Olivia, Sabrina, Regina, and Claire. Yes, she still knows our names. Don't get too excited. How old are you? I'm 16. Yeah, you just turned 16. My beautiful darling! Pretend like she's the principal's daughter. Yay! I'm fine! Also, how did I end up here? Long story short, you got, let's just say you got hit by lightning. What? And guys, the thunderstorm is still going on, and because of this tragedy, you guys can go home. Thank you, miss. Should we all hang out at mine? Yeah. You mean ours? Yeah, I mean ours. Sorry. Let's go. What the heck? Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Credits to Toka Tay once again because I was just watching her, guys. Like, look. I was actually just watching her. Bro. Anyway. Tokabook Stories, Toka Tay. Tokabook Stories, Toka Tay. Guys, I was literally like, open up. What's wrong with my internet? Anyway. See, guys, I was literally just watching this.
Calm down. It's not that big of a deal. Let me just continue teaching. How? How are you supposed to teach whenever the projector can't work? Oh, yeah, you're right. Well, I guess we can't learn. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, I'll just use the whiteboard. What? Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, well, while you guys are depressed, I'm just gonna continue to teach. So,
Anyways, guys,
so
I'm gonna
what do you
end
expect
the
us to have
roleplay
tonight?
or whatever here. So, bye, lovelies. I love you so much.